Hi everyone, this is just a real quick video on some of the expectations for the Fahrenheit 451 close reading journal reflections that you're going to be asked to do for Fahrenheit. There's only two that you're reading, or sorry, that you're going to be required to do, but I just want to make sure that you're aware of this. So this is very important. All responses should be well thought out, multi-sentence responses. Minimal effort will receive a minimal grade. So what that means is that if you're just answering these questions in one or two words or like a brief sentence, you're not going to receive full points for this assignment. You need to make sure that you are answering thoroughly. So it's very important. So don't be surprised if you answer brief and I give you half credit. Okay, so you're definitely wanting to answer fully for these. So I'm not going to read through this with you at this moment because we will do that in Class Connect at some point together. But what I want you to just make sure that you're doing is know that for this specific reflection, you really can't just read this and think you know what's going on in the story without having read the story. So what that means is that this is a quote from the story, that you absolutely need to know the context in which this quote is being said. So if you're just reading the quote or this excerpt without having read the story, you are really going to struggle with this response. So what I would highly recommend is that you absolutely want to make sure that you've read this section before you respond to this assignment. Okay, so it's very important. So simple questions, what's going on in the excerpt? That means, like I just said, you need to make sure you've read it. What is your reaction? That is basically going to be whatever you feel your reflection is to that. It can be your opinion. And then how does this relate to the real world around you? And so again, this is kind of a opinion. Remember, lengthy, well thought out responses, not 1, 2 word, 1 sentence short responses, right? So if you have questions, please let me know.